Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to get honey blossom and grow a garden. Plant honey blossom seeds or seedlings in loose, fertile soil near a water source, and keep daily watering consistent until plants establish. Mulch lightly to retain moisture, and add balanced fertilizer sparingly to boost blooms. Watch for bees and pollinators, and harvest blossoms gently when fully open for best fragrance and nectar. I will walk you through each step patiently and clearly. Start by preparing your bed with compost mixed into the topsoil to give honey blossom a nutritious start. Space plants 12 to 18 inches apart so leaves and roots have room to expand and avoid overcrowding. Water right after planting, and keep a light daily watering schedule for the first 2 weeks until roots take hold. I'll guide you on how to adjust watering and when to ease off for healthier, stress-free plants. Consistent care keeps honey blossom thriving and rewarding you with abundant blooms. Remove spent flowers to encourage new growth and apply a light balanced fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks to support steady development. Inspect plants regularly for aphids or other pests, and use gentle controls like diluted soapy water or neem oil to avoid harming pollinators. I'll show how to prune, feed, and protect plants.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.